Okay, so perhaps not surprisingly, I just got ChatGPT in on the thinking and issues versus pull requests. All right, so I haven't clicked I haven't clicked this yet, but add issues. Okay. New issue, uh code ain't working. Something like this. All right, and we add some extra description. We say line number such and such. I was just thinking incorrectly about pull requests because I don't have a huge amount of experience with collaborating with people. Line number such and such results in syntax error. And we create, and then if we're another user, like so I'm logged in right now. So I'm not another user, but let's just verify that we could see this. So there is someone else who's logged into GitHub. So this is a public repository, so anybody could see this issue, but obviously a collaborator should be able to see issues. And you see issue number one, and presumably we will delete these whenever if a pull request fixes the issue. So I'll open up another browser and go here to this guy and go to the repository and we see that we have an issue. The code ain't working. Okay. And all right. So, yeah, I guess I'd just forgotten this. To make a pull request, we go to the code that we want to modify, and it's showing me the diff right now. So I'm trying to get to the edit button, like where the edit button appears roughly in this location. All right. Yeah, I was just clicking the wrong thing. Okay, so we go edit, and for a collaborator, let me just continue here. Mm, This, I made this change and am making a PR pull request for it. Okay. Okay. So the commit changes and oh, interesting. It said Copilot is thinking that's a new thing. Clean up main.cpp and add PR notes. Commit message. Um, this is a commit attached to a pull request. Yes, yes, it is. Okay, so if you commit directly to the master branch, that's like I said a few minutes ago, it's kind of an aggressive version. So if you make a new branch and start a pull request, it's automatically labeled as patch number one. We propose changes, which is something we would do like if I weren't in particular, if I weren't the owner of this repository, I was just a collaborator. Um, Maybe we all own the repository if we're all collaborators, but um, we would propose these changes, okay, and create a pull request, and then the owner of the repository can merge the pull requests with the main branch and accept the changes and close the pull request. So the merge operation is going to accept the change and yeah. All right. So now we see pull requests and we can look at, there are no open pull requests and there is one closed pull request. And we could go back and see what changes were made to the code. And we could see the comments that were made and the files changed. Yeah. So this change was made. All right. So it's kind of silly to say that's all there is to it because usually pull requests and issues are extremely complicated things, but this is just the basics. So that's a decent little video on this. But I don't know, for my students, all I want for the sake of this assignment is you open up the snipping tool, take a little screenshot, and you save this file. You can leave the file name as it is, or you can make it a little more clear. I put it in this directory right here, or file path. I'm going to copy that, save the um, save the screenshot of the fact that there was a pull request made. Now, it was me changing my own code here, and I'm wanting my students to make changes to somebody else's code because it's more realistic because you're probably going to be working in a team in software development. But anywho, I did save that file or that screenshot, and if I switch to view a student, then I can submit this, and this is all you need to do for this assignment. Let's go new attempt because I submitted this earlier in class today. All right, and here it is, GitHub project screenshot that was modified, I think just now. I'm just double checking that. Modified 1014. That's all right, that's not the same thing. That was from earlier. So we go properties, modified at 11:54, which is just a minute ago. So that's the one we want. And you click that and submit. And there we go. If we want to see what we just submitted, just to double check that we didn't upload an incorrect file. That's a screenshot of a diff. Yeah. It's what the previous code was and what the current code is. All right.